This is not just a simple story. It's a story about human nature. If you listen carefully, you will not only improve your English, but also understand something deeper about people. Once there was a tree. Not just any tree, but one that gave everything it had. And there was a boy. When he was young, he would run to the tree every day. He would climb its branches, eat its apples, and rest in its shade. At that time, he didn't ask for anything. He simply enjoyed being there. And the tree was happy. But the boy grew older. His desires began to change. One day he returned not with joy, but with concern. I need money. I need money, he said. The tree, without hesitation, replied, "Take my apples, sell them. You will have what you need." The boy took everything and left. The tree remained, still giving, still waiting. The boy returned again, this time with a different request. "I need a place to live." The tree answered, "Take my branches. Build yourself a house." Again, the boy took what he needed and disappeared. Time continued to move forward. Eventually, he came back. "I want to escape," he said. I need a boat. The tree, now almost empty, said, "Take my trunk. Build your boat." And so he did. And the tree was once again left behind. Finally, after many years, the boy returned. One last time. He was no longer a boy. He was tired, old, slower. "I don't need much anymore," he said. "Just a quiet place to sit." The tree, now reduced to a stump, whispered, "This is something I can still give." And the boy sat down, and the tree was still happy. This story is not really about a tree. It's about relationships. It's about how people give and how others take. It raises an uncomfortable question. Is unconditional giving always good? Or does it create imbalance? The boy represents desire, growth, ambition. The tree represents sacrifice, patience, and unconditional love. But here's the real question. Was the tree truly happy or simply unable to stop giving? Now I want you to think in English. Answer this. Do you believe in unconditional giving? Or should there be limits? Write your answer in the comments. If you can understand this story, you are no longer a beginner. You are thinking in English. If you want to reach fluency, you need content like this. Subscribe, keep training. Your English is going to get better every single day. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next class.